my 14 good meters running just below 2 volts, so none of them, kick up and lose accuracy. Bryman BM 786, 8020A, 8060A, my original 77, Dad gimme. Dad's original 27, the new 27. 77BN 23 Series 2, 73 Series 3 with the small digits, 73 Series 3 with the large digits. Look at the difference. That's cool. 78 automotive meter, 179. 87 Mark V or V, and the 189. It's all my good meters. Now I got the Chinese flukes and a couple other crap meters. They're not as accurate as these, so they're not here. So, let's see. Wait a minute. 25 volts. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Yeah. That one does not auto range at all. You absolutely have to pick what you want. This one does auto range, but when you auto range it, hang on, it doesn't show as accurate as if you pick what you want. Now, this meter's 2004, I think. Maybe this one's 2010. This one's 2017. The rest I don't really know about. That one's 1986. This is 2003 or 4. 1985 or 86. 1981 or so. 1979, maybe. And this one's brand new. I've only had it a couple months. So that one and these two are the ones I use to calibrate all the rest of them. I mean, it's not a certified calibration, but it gets it so close. I'm calling it good. Let's see. 96 volts. So, they're all good. Now, all this is DC. The next video, 0.1, that's a little high. The next video will be all AC. 100 volts DC. Crossed everything. That ain't bad. Not bad. Now we go down to, no, not that. 1 volt. Let's see, 1 volt. Gonna hit 2. Gonna hit 2. This meter, it's gonna be, or this power supply, it's all gonna be jumping around, but there you go, with the same meters. Let's see, 2, 1.9, 1.9. 03. I've got all this stuff. Oh, wait a minute. This one passed out. That one passed out. That one goes to sleep a whole lot faster than the rest of them. So, let's see. 0.92. It's going to jump around, but all the good meters. BM786, 8020A, 8060A, 77, Series 1, 27 FM, 27 FM, 77BN, 23 Series 2, 73.3 with the small display, 73.3 with the large display, 78 automotive meter, 179, 87 Mark V or V, and the 189, all on DC. Nice little collection. My 14, let's say 2. My 14 multimeters. They're all doing good. Alright, next video will be AC mains. Alright, y'all.